Mabuhay, this is Alexi Fernandez from Davao City. At this moment, I am here at one of the most beautiful and famous spa in Davao City, the Firm Spa. I am here because a few minutes from now, mag-undergo ko of massage. Karon ila pa akong gikuan sa ako ang gipahulong pa akong tubig sa gipahulong akong tiil sa hot water. Muna ilahang system ano sa isok ko sa hot water nga ako ang paa. In few minutes from now, I'm going to undergo the massage. Maghanap muna ako ng kinsay therapist na imong mahatag sa kuha. Kanang makakuha og panungot, daghan kay kung panungot ba?
Lance yung pangalan. Tanggal
How many months na ba siya nag-massage? Suhi ba siya? Suhi?
Training for 6 weeks, massage for 3 months.
Okay. So thank you, Jay. Thank you for recommending me that therapist. Thank you everyone. Thank you to all my friends, my subscribers. Continue to like and to share my video clips, and to those people who are my subscribers to my YouTube channel, please continue to follow me and continue to follow to my Facebook Reels. God bless everyone.